Hey, foodies! Today, we're setting sail on a culinary adventure with a recipe that's brimming with flavor, oyster chicken. I'm your Quirky Quest, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this delicious journey that transforms simple ingredients into a sea of taste. But before we embark on this savory voyage, let's gather our ingredients. To marinate the chicken: 2 chicken breasts, 350 grams, 1 teaspoon salt, 1½ tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper. To fry: 2-3 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 egg white, oil for deep frying. To make the sauce: 3-4 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1½ teaspoons dark soy sauce, 1½ tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon chili powder or chili flakes. Other ingredients: 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon julienned ginger, 5-6 spring onion bulbs, cut in half, 1 cup water, 1-2 tablespoons cornstarch slurry, half a teaspoon crushed black pepper, salt, if required, 10-15 spring onion greens, cut into long strips. Slice the chicken breasts at an angle into pieces of even size. Transfer the cut chicken into a bowl, add salt, light soy sauce, pepper, and mix well. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. Prepare the sauce mixture by combining oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, chili powder or chili flakes in a bowl. Set aside. Heat oil in a wok and fry ginger, garlic, and spring onion bulbs for 2 minutes on high heat. Once the garlic starts to brown, add the sauce mixture along with water. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 30 seconds. Turn off the heat and proceed with frying the chicken. Add cornstarch and egg whites to the marinated chicken and mix well. Heat oil in a kadai, wok and fry the chicken pieces in medium hot oil for 3-5 minutes until golden and crispy. Drain the fried chicken and bring the sauce back to a simmer. Add the fried chicken to the sauce along with spring onion greens and toss well. Our oyster chicken is now ready to be served. If you're ready to explore the depths of flavor with this oyster chicken recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more culinary adventures. Enjoy making and savoring this delicious oyster chicken, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!